Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Clash Royale game app. To install any application in your Android device, you have to go to the Google Play Store. So let's go to the Google Play Store. If you look at the bottom right corner, you will see a search icon. You just have to tap on it. And now if you look at the top of the screen, you will see a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type Clash Royale. Once you find the application, tap on it. Here you can see details of the application such as its developers, the rating it has, the storage it takes up. If you scroll further down, you can also see the reviews of the app. After you have reviewed everything and are ready to install, just tap on install. The installation will begin automatically in your device. When the installation is finished, you can simply tap on open or can also find it later in the app drawer. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.